Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. My name is Takhsh, an immigration attorney from Chicago. I've been doing this line of work for over 10 years, helping individuals and families maneuver their respective immigration journeys. One of the more common questions that I usually get is, do I need an attorney? And the answer is a little bit nuanced, and so we're going to be talking about why that is. The reason why it's nuanced is because people have different risk tolerance. Some people are risk loving, some people are risk averse, and some people are somewhere in the middle. And so within the context of their risk tolerance, they have to decide whether they would rather work with an attorney or file an application by themselves, whether it's a marriage-based case, asylum case, to remove the conditions on their green card, or to simply renew their 10-year green card. As people are deciding whether to hire an attorney, I always tell them that if the question is, do I need an attorney? The answer is unequivocally no, you don't need an attorney. Why is that? Because you could potentially sit down, read the instructions, read up on the most current law, and if you have the time, do a really good job of putting a packet together. The issue, however, is that most people are not very well versed in US legal jurisprudence or legal matters. Some people struggle with the English language. Some people are very well versed in English. However, they are professionals who have really demanding jobs. And so they can't sit down and do all that work. And so it becomes a logistical issue. Would I rather do this with the limited time that I have, limited resources that I have, or would I rather entrust my case to a professional? And so that's where we come in, because we have done this line of work for a very long time, and we are well versed in the latest legal jurisprudence as far as immigration law is concerned. And so we can direct our clients accordingly. But make no mistake about it, don't be afraid of the applications or the process, because as I said, if you have the time, if you have the resources, you can do it. But at the same time, I will say that generally speaking, immigration pathways tend to be somewhat complex. More often than not, I tell people, if the question is, what would I do? If I was in your shoes, I would choose to work with a professional. This is a little bit of a side story, but I own a Harley Davidson. I ride a motorcycle. And so if the question is, can I change the oil myself? Yes, I can. If the question is, can I change the battery myself? The answer is yes, I can. Do I do those things? No, I don't. I care too much about my bike. And so because I care so much about it, because I don't want to mess anything up, I choose to take it to the local Harley Davidson store. I pay a premium for the work that they do. They're very good at what they do. But at night, I can sleep and say, you know what? That's okay. I paid a little bit of money, but my bike is okay because they know what they're doing. And so in the same way, I know it's a little bit of a simple example, but in the same way, a lot of the people that I talk to care deeply about their immigration pathway. And so because they care so deeply about their pathway to US citizenship, US green card, or whatever the case might be, they come to us and say, please take care of my case. And so I hope I've answered your question. And as always, you're always welcome to submit questions below. Thank you so much. Take care.